Good morning. Wow. What a night here in Chicago. We had some tornadoes, some high winds, lots of rain. I think we got 3 to 4 inches of rain. The rivers are beyond flood stage, but we made it through. About 8 o'clock, we got about 3 hours of storms last night. We survived. We were prepared. We had our generator ready to go, but power stayed on. We got too much down there in North Carolina. You guys having a water shortage. We got way too much water up here. I'm telling you. This is DJ Stocks, Land Cruiser Midwest. Today is April 18th, Saturday, April 18th, and we're going to talk about the portfolio. Yesterday was a wonderful day on the stock market. Beyond wonderful. Let me bring the music down, because that's what I do. That's about all I do is I bring the music down. Let's see if we can get us some numbers yesterday. The numbers on Wall Street were just crazy. The Dow was up 868 points. The NASDAQ was up 365. Gold was up 71.30, and as always, your wonderful silver was up a couple of bucks, I do believe. Let's check here. Silver was up $3.13. It is now at 81.84 this morning. 81.84. It's headed to $90. It's going back to where it came from earlier this year. So get yourself some. I'm just, for you new, like, share, subscribe. For you new viewers, I'm just some old retired dude. Teaching you how to invest in the stock market and make a little money on the side. Are you tired of making peanuts with your portfolio? Let me say that again. Are you tired of making peanuts in your portfolio? Watch us and get some tips. Get something out of this. You got to get something out of this. Let me get I got my numbers board out for you today. Let me just say it's been a struggle. January, February, until the last day of March, it was a real struggle. But we've turned the corner. Yeah, we've turned the corner of the Strait of Hormuz, I do believe, and that's helped. The portfolio is energized and springing back to life. Let's go over some of the numbers that our portfolio is hitting. There you go. There's the returns so far this year. 1 year, the portfolio has given us 71%. That's crazy. Year to date, we're at 4.8%. Month to date, we are at 6.9%. That equates to 106. We're up 169K so far this year, and month to date, we're up 107. So those are the returns of my portfolio. Portfolio's pretty simple. I've got a lot of NASDAQ, a lot of high-tech stocks. Only like 10 or 11 of them. You can go back and check some of our videos where we walk you through the returns on a daily basis. But we've got some NVIDIA and Google, which are our major breadwinners for us. We've got some Robinhood, Palantir, Palo Alto Networks, some Visa, American Express. We just jettisoned AMD. We bought into Charles Schwab. We've got like 400 shares of Charles Schwab now. We're just basically adding to our holdings right now, buying like 50 to 100 shares here and there as they start to climb back. At one time, my portfolio was underwater like 180K. I checked yesterday, we're probably down to like 50K underwater. So a lot of the stocks are getting ready to break even. We got some Microsoft. Microsoft was one of the major ones that was down big time. And Meta, they've been coming back the last couple of weeks. So that's a good sign. So come along on our journey as we teach you what stocks to invest in, or at least show you what we're doing. We're not giving financial advice. We're just showing you what we're doing as we drink recycled coffee here on Land Cruiser Midwest in a Christmas mug. Isn't that odd? Isn't that just a little odd? We'll also do some videos and shorts about our brand new fancy dancy BMW car. Yeah, we made so much money last year, we decided to invest in a new car for the summer. Isn't that crazy? That's how much money you can make. So come along. It doesn't cost you anything. It's double zeros to participate in this. Just watch what we're doing. If it makes sense to you, you can take your money and invest how you see fit. A lot of people don't even know what the hell NVIDIA was when I talked to them. We made big bucks on NVIDIA. I paid for this car twice with NVIDIA profits. So yeah, that's NVIDIA. Anyone that listens, NVIDIA. Although it's been kind of stale the last 3 or 4 months. It appears something is breathing some new air into NVIDIA. But I definitely suggest get yourself some Google, get yourself some Palantir, get yourself some Palo Alto Networks. Get you some. That's those. Don't play it. If you're a youngster, don't play it safe. Buy into some of these high-tech names that will make you millions, billions, at least tens of thousands of dollars. So, yeah. Do I need to show these again? These are just crazy numbers. 1 year back from today, our portfolios returned 71%. Year to date, almost 5%. Month to date, almost 7%. Look at those big numbers there. Yeah, these are numbers you want. These are numbers that you want. So, come along. Follow the old retired dude with the Milwaukee Brewers hat on, and who buys his shoes. Check out my short about buying shoes at Walmart. Yeah, how many millionaires buy shoes at Walmart? I do. I get myself at least one pair a year. We were out looking yesterday, and they didn't have my size at the store we were at, so I got to go to another Walmart, check out their shoes, and get myself a pair of new Walmart shoes for the summer. $30. They've raised prices. $30 for a pair of Walmart shoes. Garrett thinks I should spend more money on shoes. He says those Walmart shoes ain't worth crap. I know it, Garrett. They're just shoes. People don't even wear shoes anymore. At least I'm wearing shoes. But I'm only spending $30 on them, so there you go. That's okay. Like, share, subscribe to DJ Stocks here on Land Cruiser Midwest, and we'll show you how to make more money. Make more money and get your money working for you. Over and out. It's DJ Stocks.